bacha party. Welcome to the logical world. And for 12th class students, the shift 1 examination is over. Many of you have done very well in shift 1. So for those students who are expecting 270 plus marks in shift 1, they should immediately start their advanced preparation. See, because this year we can see, apart from 1 or 2 days, that is 31st Jan paper, remaining all the papers were very easy, right? So JEE may, you know very well, JEE mains is not the exam which will secure your seat in the IITs, right? You have to prove yourself in advanced exam, right? And for last 3 months, our prime focus was doing well in the mains. So somewhere advanced problems and those PYQs have taken the back seat. So now it is the time that along with your board preparation, you are also doing your advanced PYQs and you are getting touch with those type of questions which are asked in advanced exam. All right. And for those students, many students told me that I have not performed as up to my potential in the mains exam. No need to worry. See, experience is the best teacher, right? Suppose in the first exam you have scored around 110 120, so you should not think like this, that I have not done the good job in the exam or I have failed in the exam. Not like that. Just we have to focus on what things have went wrong, right? There are very common points what things goes wrong, why a good student is not able to perform in the exam. See, the very first thing while talking to the students, I have observed that while writing the mains exam, they start thinking like we are writing some different exam, right? So if they are thinking like that, they do many changes in their approach, in their strategy, and that results in underperformance, right? So first thing, as you wherever you are studying, you are writing the tests. While you are writing the mains test, you have to think, you have to start, you have to feel the same way you are writing those tests. If we are able to do, we will not take any extra pressure. We will not feel anything like strange, and we can perform as up to our potential. Second thing, time management. See, one subject students are taking and they are just working on that for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, like that. No, we have to see during the exam, we have to look for the easy questions, right? So if one subject we have taken and we are saying that most of the questions are difficult, then rather than doing all those difficult questions, we should see other subjects. Like if paper is difficult, out of 30, we can do around 15, 16, that is also okay. If 1 hour out of the difficult paper, we did 15 questions in one subject, and after that, we are going to another subject, and that will happen. In a paper, you will not find all physics, chemistry, maths to be difficult. If one is difficult, another will be easy, and another may be easy or difficult. So rather than spending too much time on the difficult subject in your test paper, look for other subjects also. That is there any easy question or questions which I can do? First of all, do that. And if still the time is remaining, then go back to the subject where most of the questions were difficult or time taking or lengthy. What students do, first of all, they will give more than 1 hour on the difficult subject, and after that they will realize that other two subjects are easy. So better I would have done those two, but you have missed the bus. After 90 minutes, if you are deciding like, okay, other two are easy, then how we can complete in 3 hours? So just in the beginning of the paper, once you saw this is difficult, then we should find which is easy or where are some more easy questions. Then we should go for that part. What will happen in this process, all easy questions will not go unattempted or wrong. And if we are able to do that, definitely we will perform up to our potential. Right? So this was all about time management. Second thing, during the mains exam, students are going with a speed, and I will say with too much speed. That is not okay. Just go with your normal speed. Normal speed means the speed with which you solve the problems when you are not writing the exam. That is your actual speed. With that speed, you will not do any calculation mistake. But if you will try to increase that, then we will find more number of calculation mistakes, and that will result in not a good manner. Right? So if you want to increase your speed, don't try to increase it in the exam. Try to increase it in your practice time. When you are doing the questions, in your self practice, that time try to increase. And then some mistakes will happen, then you will work out, then you will learn from that, and then you will develop a good speed. But in the exam, we should not try any other speed which is not usual as of our speed, right? So this way we can work on this. And moreover, in the exam, we should not look for what I see that students will do all the calculation on the same space given. They are not doing neat and clean calculation. So what happens that whatever calculation they were doing for the previous question, the same thing they use in some other question, and that results in the hectic things. Right? So waste as much paper you want in the exam. Do a neat and clean calculation, because every question is important. Apart, because of one just silly mistake, you can result of getting -5 rather than 4. Okay, so neat and clean calculation, and go with your normal speed. Third thing, overthinking. Students are just writing the exam, and at the back of their mind what is going on, that what will happen after the exam. That is very bad. We should not think like that. If we think like that, we will not be able to focus on the paper. And if we are not able to focus on the paper, how we can expect our best result out of that? Thinking and all we will do just after finishing the paper, not in between, not intermittent. Alright? So this was about why we underperformed in the shift 1. So no need to worry. Experience is the best teacher. In the shift 2, we will do very well. Right? Very, very well. Just we will master these small things rather than only mastering the subject. First thing, we have to increase our speed. And that speed we will increase in our self-practice time. So what should you do? Like now you are busy with your practical exams and theory board exam coming on. So along with that, for JEE mains who have not performed well in the shift 2, they should keep 3 hours per day for working on these things. And who have scored more than 270 in the mains exam, they should not worry that much about the mains exam. They should immediately go for the advanced preparation, and from their daily studying timetable, they should keep 3 to 4 hours fixed for the advanced examination. That is what we should do, right? So see, paper was lengthy, so what I have decided in this series, I will share some methods which will help you doing the calculation faster, right? So in the very next video after this, I will tell you about this C minus minus. All right, what is this C minus minus?